So if you don't like really who you've become, if you don't like where you are today or aspects of your life, you need to reflect on the perhaps thousands and tens of thousands of maybe even millions of little decisions that you have made in your life that have caused you to be where you are today. And when you understand, which I didn't at one time, the universal principles for our conduct work regardless of whether we believe them or not, and you apply those universal principles to your life, such as the law of cause and effect, perhaps the granddaddy of them all. For every effect in your life, there is a cause. So if we're not happy where we are today, and we honestly trace it back to the cause, the good news is we can change the cause. Another great universal principle is sow little, reap little. Sow much, reap much. Now, I was driving from Langley to get here on time. I phoned Roberta a couple of times. I was listening to a radio station. I'm sure it was NW, and the guy said to the caller, "Do you know what the difference between ignorance and apathy is?" The guy said, "I don't know, and I don't care." So we can say, well, I don't really know about these universal principles, and more than that, I don't really care. But we do need to know, and we do need to care, because it will shape who we are, and it will shape our character.